High school teachers, get ready for today's pop quiz. What do pop culture, crime, artificial intelligence, and democracy have in common? They are all part of the social sciences. From our legal system to our educational institutions, our understanding of the human mind to our interpretations of history and how we plan for the future, the social sciences help us make sense of human society, our social relationships, and those institutions impacting us both at work and play. Every September in Social Sciences Week, we help Australians of all ages unpack the lot. If you're an Aussie high school teacher, whether you teach sociology or statistics, geography or the great philosophers, psychology or political science, or one of the many other social science disciplines, we can match your class with a free speaker this September. Just get in contact.